How to share design file link in Figma. So here I have my design right here, and I'm trying to share this. So in the top right corner of the screen, we can see the share button. Let's click that. And here we have the option to see who can access this project or who can view it and what they can do. If I select anyone and then we share this link to anyone, they're going to be able to open it without logging in. They can open it anonymously, anyone can do it. If we do only invited people, only that one person can view it. So here we can see what they can do to this file. Let's type in edit. And here we can also type in password required. Let's copy link and we can email it, invite people. So for example, if I type in this email of this person, which is my own email, and I head over to the email, I can send them an invite more professionally. However, I can also copy this link and send it to them. So let's paste it here. And here we see two of these profiles. And here I am following myself from this tab. So yeah, that's how to share your design in Figma. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.